guys, and today I'm going to show you how to use Elytra. So first you have to build a long tower of scaffolding just like here, but since I start from Y level 100 it is not that long. So first you need Elytra with unbreaking and netherite boots with feather falling, and what else was there? Yeah, mending. And if you have a starter map like me, then you can put it in the shield section for smaller and then use a firework in the empty slot. So first go up the scaffolding. Okay, now once that is done, you have to equip your Elytra and netherite boots. And then go into settings, and the camera should be at third person back. So I'm putting some 2 totems of undying. And now first you have to do a sneak position. And then you have to keep jumping. Okay, now that is done. Now this is how to use Elytra. And now please subscribe, because now I'm going to wait. Now subscribe.